Hello, this is new bike check. Got a new frame a while ago. I traded my '09 complete Eastern frame for this Fit Eddie V2, which was definitely a good trade. Frame is I'll get into the details. Frame is full heat treated for 130 chromoly with butted tubes all around. Sealed everything. Medium back end with a laid back seat post angle thing. Top tube is 20.75 but rides like 20.5. 75 head tube angle. Integrated pivotal seat post. So yeah, I haven't really got to ride it all. I've rode it like twice because it's snowing out and stuff. And it's already March, so it's still snowing, which sucks. Alright, ODI Super Soft. I've got to ride this for a bit. Colt nylon bar ends, because my Odyssey ones just are gone now. Yeah, from these new Colt Vans grips, which I'm going to put on later when these ones are worn out. WeThePeople Trust bars from the 2012. Also for 130 chromoly. Here's the Lincoln stem that I traded a friend for my elementary V2. Two different bearings, top and bottom, with a 1664 cap. Carbon fiber wrapped, like horribly wrapped. Director forks, S2. These are rant pegs, heat treated steel, and then Colt butter pegs on the left or right, whatever. Yeah. G-Sport Gland with a shoelace with a Saltplus Trapez Hub. Cinema 777 pinned version because it came on a complete with black spoke, silver nipples. Brand new Fit FAF tire got yesterday at a BMX jam in Toronto. Tube is Maxxis, like no one cares, but yeah. Sean Sexton seat. Already mentioned the frame. Sprocket is a 28 tooth Sunday Sabretooth, brand new. Also got yesterday. 2011 Haro 200 cranks, 3-piece. Yeah, not changing those anytime soon because don't have the money. Brand new twisted PCs. Replace the red caps and whatnot. WeThePeople Bottom Bracket with a E-Claw dust cap. That's done. So this is KHE half-link hollow pin. Odyssey Aerospace hard anodized with a Kink Lyra tire. Lace to, wait, that sounds messed up. Ezra Freecoaster Hub. Cinema peg steel with a Pyn Hubguard animal. And I think that just wraps it all up. Oh yeah, this is something extra that I put on two nuts here. So yeah, I think that's it. Just finished putting everything together. And yeah, that's all. Alright, see ya.